Please note, no animals were harmed in the making of this video.
It's only a 45-minute show, mate. Let's move this along. Round of applause! Chase, you've been watching this the whole time, sir. You know how it's done. The real small one without the jumpsuit, mate. This one's quick, mate. Keep an eye on it, Chase. Hang on, hang on. Round of applause for Chase! Show the love, round of applause! Zach, you're on the pink one, mate. The one on the pink. You got it. Here we go, Zach. A little bit. Not real slimy, it's just urine. There you go.
It's like what? Oi! I need to get a
Here you go, big kiss. Let's go, Zach. How old are you? 9, you're at that age where you start kissing little things, Zach. Let's go. Big kiss. Come on. Oh, I like it, champion. Round of applause for Zach. Popping in the back of your thing, Zach. Kaylee, you're on Donald. Come on. You're on Donald Jump. Come on over here, Kaylee. The one in the white there for you, mate. You got it. Round of applause for Kaylee. Ollie, you're on the orange one, mate. The 2 kids with the 2 most inappropriate names on the cards. There you go. You got it, mate. They can't hurt you. Get that one off. There you go. Big deep, Ollie. Here we go.
Did you hear that?
That's it, mate.
Did you hear that?
You got
it's
it.
like a live poo.
Let's go, Ollie. Alright, I'm going to help you out here, Ollie. Hold on to it. You're going to have to touch it in order to race it. Big kiss on Ollie.
Love it.
Oh, you missed, Ollie. Just right on your head, man. You missed it again, Ollie. That's Kim. Kim, come on over here. You want Aussie, the last one? Once you kiss it, scream out Aussie, Aussie, Aussie really loud, mate. Okay? Ready? Shh. There you go. Hush. In the bucket, nicely done. Alright, just to recap, this is your finishing line. First coat in the bucket wins the race.
Come on. Come on.
Remember the rules. Do not touch your toe whilst on the table. I will have to disqualify you. You don't want to do that tonight because you spent good money on it. The other thing is make sure you get the right tote. If you put someone else's tote in the bucket, you've given away your first place prize. We're going to go through them again in a second. Grab a whip, test it, make sure it's working. Ollie, grab a whip, mate. Nicely done, that's how it works. Jace, grab one out for me, mate. One shot, we've done this before. The other thing is, if there is any harm done to my toes, I will immediately disqualify you. Don't hurt them. Okay, Numjack. Hey, you're in the green on Jerry Springer. Justin, mini-me, the small one without the jumpsuit, mate. Zach, you're on the pink one, mate. We've got Kaylee in the white on Donald Jump. We've got Ollie in the orange on Camel Toe, and Kim in the blue on Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Ready, Beck? Here we go.
Zach,
ready? You ready? Take your places. Stop it! Jump in there. Jump in there. I'll call it out. If I say first place, Jared will write a 1 there. If I say second place, you may write a 2 there. Just keep on to straight away, okay? Alright. You ready, jockeys? Ready, Beck? You ready, crowd? Okay, this is the feature round. Here we go. Count them down in 3, 2, 1. They're off and running. Here we go. They're locating their toes. They get separated. We'll cost you. Oh, if you want the move, there's 2 off the stage. Here we go. In the bucket is Donald Jump with Kaylee. Second place is Daintree. Second place, Lena Pink. Third place was Jerry Springer. Keep on, Kim. Go on, go. Oh, who is it? It's running between Alex and fourth place is Neva here. Here we go. Camel off the table. Bring it home, Ollie. Bring it home. Ollie, pick it up. Pick it up. Pick up this, Ollie. Pick it up. Ollie, pick it up. Put it in the bucket. Put it in. Fifth place is Ollie. Can't reach the toe, mate. Bring it home. Line up over here, guys.
Right up there.
Oh, we've lost Aussie. What happened, him? Oh, have we found him? Oh, it's out. It's left the room. Oh, Aussie's out of here. Aussie, come on out here. If someone can go get Aussie, that'll be great.
Okay, I'm second.
Along the back wall here.
Good race.
Oh dear. What an anti-climax. Aussie's coming! Aussie's coming! Here he is, ladies and gentlemen!
Out of nowhere.
Do you want to give it to Kim so she can put him in the bucket? Go on, Kim. Finish off, mate. Figure out the place. Mate, rough round for you. There's a beer for you. In 5th place was Ollie on the camel toe. Give Ollie a round of applause. Come on over, mate. How old are you, Ollie? 18. There you go. Have a good night, Ollie.
That's what you're doing.
You look like a kid that doesn't eat sugar. I gave you no sugar one. Yeah, Ollie. Give that to whoever pointing your toes. In 4th place was Mini Me with Jason, ladies and gentlemen. Jason, a round of applause. Mate, so close. Thanks so much. I'll tell you what, because you helped out so much, have a second one on me. Thanks for doing that. That's for you. I've got another one. It's all good. 3rd place was... No. No, she was first. No, it was Jerry Springer. Where's Snapchat? Jerry Springer, round of applause. Nice step back, nice little bottle of wine for you, mate. Nicely done. Here we go. Second place was Zach on the Go Fredo. Nicely done, Zach. You get a $30 wine bar voucher. And I'll give you a bottle of wine too. There you go, mate. That's it, thank you. Yep, there you go. There's one for you too, mate. And in 1st place was Kale Donald John. She's coming tomorrow. Perfect.